Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make fish tomato soup. Start by sautéing onions and garlic in olive oil until soft, then add tomatoes and stock. Bring to a gentle simmer, add fish and simmer briefly until cooked through, about 6 to 8 minutes. Finish with fresh herbs and a splash of lemon for brightness. Serve hot with crusty bread or rice for a comforting, easy weeknight meal. Begin with mise en place so everything cooks smoothly and evenly. Heat oil in a pot and soften onion, then add garlic for just a minute to avoid bitterness. Add tomatoes and stock, and let the base reduce slightly to concentrate flavors. Taste and adjust salt or acidity with lemon. Add fish last so it stays tender, then garnish with parsley or cilantro before serving. Keep the heat gentle to preserve delicate fish textures and avoid boiling, which makes fish tough. If using firmer fish, you can simmer a minute or two longer, but always check for flakiness with a fork. Adjust seasoning at the end and consider a small drizzle of olive oil for extra richness. Leftovers, store well refrigerated for up to 2 days and reheat gently to prevent drying out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.